Be careful, you're gonna hit that table there.
Go. Do Randy Orton. What does Randy Orton do? Do it. Do his stance. Do it. Oh wait, what's his? No, on the ground thing.
What?
Do it on the ground. Wait, it's on the ground. No, do it again. Do it again. About HBK. No, the music thing. No, his music thing. There's something in music. The one where he stomps.
Oh.
Okay, what's Batista's opening? About John Cena.
What do you call that?
Okay, and of course Triple H. Okay, who else? Mr. Kennedy. Aw, Miko. Umaga. Shane McMahon. Okay, Mr. McMahon. Edge. Who else? Oh, the Great Khali. Okay, one of the divas.
I'm still your valedictorian.
Not.